Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough on how to become an affiliate partner creator of Get Your Guide. So if you're a travel content creator, YouTuber, or a social media creator looking for a passive income, today I'll show you on how to sign up an account in just a few very easy steps. Alright, so I am currently at the Get Your Guide landing page. So from here, we just need to scroll down a little bit until you find that work with us section right here. So this is where you can sign up either as a supply partner or as a content creator, and lastly as an affiliate partner. So on this video, we're going to click on the content creator as we're trying to sign up an account as an affiliate partner or content creator of Get Your Guide. So this is the landing page where you can actually click on the sign up button right here. This would work. If you scroll down, there's another sign up button. I think there's a lot. There's 3 on this page. Either of these 3 actually works. So let's go right ahead and click on that. So step 1 is the system would going to ask you to for step 1, the system will just simply ask for your working email address. So just ensure that the email address that you'll be using is working as in you do have access and you can validate your profile, because Get Your Guide will of course send you like an email confirmation asking you to validate something like that. Alrighty, so once you have that fill out, then there's going to be another page. So let me just input something right here. Okay. Alrighty, so yeah, no worries about the creation of password because they have all of this guidance actually. So you can also enter it again for validation, and that's it. So once you can see that everything's okay and the sign up button right there has been enabled, then you can just simply click on sign up button. So on here, this actually would give you a different options depending on the type of account or your circumstances, like what partnership you would want to be with Get Your Guide. So if you're a content creator, then you can go ahead and select content creator. If you're a travel agent, then you can also click that. And if you are a in-destination guide or reseller, then you can also click that. So on this example, we'll just go ahead and click on or select I am a content creator. Alrighty. And lastly, here you can see they're going to ask you, since you're a content creator, we selected the content creator, then all of the details that they're going to get from you on here are information, of course, about you, your full name, your organization's name, and then your currency. So some of the currencies right here are, yeah, I don't even see my country's currency right here. So in that case, if it's not on the selection or the drop down, you can just simply, I've defaulted mine to US dollar. Alright, and then simply click on select your country, and then so right here on the next step, you would need to select all that applies to you. So in my case, I posted, or I selected, I post on my website. If you need to select this, or if you do have a website, then go ahead and select this too. And then if you also have all of these accounts, so Get Your Guide will going to ask all of your handles for all of this social media. So if you're going to enter all of your social media handles for all of these 3 different platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, then just go right ahead and yeah, check this. But yeah, so because I've selected this part, then the system would now ask me to enter my website, so I'm just going to enter that. So yeah, it now has a green check mark. And for this one, you just need to simply input your handles. So for example, actually so whenever you key in something, for example, it automatically plays like the @ sign already there. So in my case, I'll put everything, all of my handles for all of these accounts right here. So this is actually how I do it. So all of your handles, the username actually that you're using on all of your these 3 social media platforms. Okay, hold on, right here. Okay, so here the system would also going to ask you for what is your main channel, so you can just simply select on what best describes you. So mine is YouTube, and then so why is not okay. So so I haven't filled everything yet. Alrighty, so my organization, just put the same, right? Nothing very unique right there. USD, Philippines, come on. Alrighty, so these are just all of the information that this form from Get Your Guide when signing up an account for them to process your request to become a travel content creator affiliate. Okay, so once you hit this next button right here, this actually are step 3, so the last steps in creation of your account. So once you hit this next, it would give you a success notification and would notify you that you have successfully submitted it. So in my case, I've already created an account, and yeah, I think pretty much all of the information right here, like my handles, if you would want to follow me on all of those social media platforms, these are my handles actually. So TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, as well as what are the other, yeah, I think those were just it. Alrighty, so I think that's all on signing up an account. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thank you so much for watching. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Have a great day. Bye.